the time I arrived in the hospital, only to find out that Vicky, who was the day nurse, was the only nurse who was able to make it. And we were working in the ICU, and the ICU was full with 12 patients, right? And I said to Vicky, go ahead, you rest for 4 hours, and I'll take care of the patients. And I work together with the residents and the attending. There's only 3 of us in the ICU at the time, because people were not able to travel, and so that's the most that I remember, and just taking care of 12 patients in the ICU in the middle of a snowstorm. And we were able to make it because we just work together. That's what you need to do. And I think a lot of people, will appreciate that, no matter how hard it is, whether it's rainy weather, good weather, the nurse will always be there to go to work, because they know someone is waiting for them to be taken care of.